Alright, we're going to make a little video here. That is through-line watt meter, model 43. And the serial number is 189423. Alright, I'm going to try to drop this in my little makeshift tripod here. Hope we can get a little video going. Alright, there we have it with a 100-watt slug in it. PEP kit is turned off. I'm using a Galaxy 2517. Pretty much non-modified on the Galaxy. Audio. Yeah, it shows it's doing right about, I don't know, 11 watts bird. If we turn the PEP kit on. Audio. It bumps right at 28, 29. Audio. Now you do ×2. Audio. Or ×5. Audio. Alright, and we will turn the PEP kit off, return it back to the center ×1 position. We'll take out the 100-watt slug, and we'll put in the 1000-watt slug. I have old Phantom triple stage tube type. The peak meter loves the tube amplifier. We're going to give it a shot here. 1000-watt, regular bird watts. And audio. Audio. So it shows we're swinging a little over 300 bird watts. But boy, let me turn that peak on with the 1000-watt slug. Audio, yeah, it buries it, so we'll do ×2. Get 1000 watts, it makes it 2000 watt. Audio. Audio. Right about 1100, almost 1200 watts. ×2, ×5. Audio. And about the same thing. So there you have it. Really clean meter, works as it should. Has the two slugs, 1000 watt and 100 watt. Both of them are Bird Electronic Corporation slugs. The PEP kit works well. I will be glad to send the instructions on how to calibrate it. As of right now, it's calibrated exactly as the instructions say to do it. So thank you for watching. Appreciate it.